In this video, I will show you how to use the Python library OpenPyXL to change the title of your charts in your Excel workbook. On my screen, we can see our working document that contains a small table of data and two charts. The first chart is measuring apples and the second chart is measuring mangoes, both of them over a period of 3 separate months. The titles simply state the column header of the third column, which is number. This is not a very good title, as it doesn't really tell you anything about the chart. You always want to make sure that your titles are telling the story of the chart below. Regarding the charts themselves, I just whipped these up very quickly and are by no means the greatest charts you could make for this data, but I wanted to keep them simple and diverse enough that they will serve the purpose for this demonstration. Here I am bringing in the workbook as WB, and I select the sheet as WS. I will then be saving the work in the cell below. First, I would like to display what charts are currently on our worksheet. That is accomplished by accessing the _charts attribute of the worksheet object. You can see it returns a list of chart items. The first right here we can see is a bar chart object, and the second item is a line chart object. Each of these objects have a series of parameters that define exactly what the chart is referencing, how it appears on the sheet, and a variety of other aspects of each chart. I'm going to now assign two separate variables each of these two charts. Chart 1 will be the bar chart, which is the chart of apples, and chart 2 will be the line chart, which is of mangoes. Just for validation, I will go ahead and print out what we see in our chart 1 object. Down underneath, we can validate that we do indeed have our bar chart. Each chart object in OpenPyXL has a title attribute. To this title attribute, you can assign a string of text. I would like to call my two separate titles these two strings of text: apple sales by month and mango quarterly sales growth. Let's execute the cell, save the workbook, and open it back up to see if we were successful. And there we have it. Our bar chart states apple sales by month, and our line chart now has a mango quarterly sales growth title. So when you break it down, it's actually very straightforward. Access the chart object you would like to affect and assign its title attribute the new title you would like to have displayed in your chart. Thank you for watching. Please let me know down below in the comments if this was a helpful and informative video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, as that really does help others find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.